Hey guys, welcome back to video. Today we are going to play my ceiling fan collection 2. For first, joining the game, subscribe and like in 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and done. Okay? Gain tank 2. Gain tank 2 always in game, always on gain tank 2 is come. And first time when I joined this happens. Yay, now we are better. Oh. Oh, does this have 3 blades at time? Now is this removed? Let's turn on this one. Ha! Oh, that's looking good. That's a little bit sticky. Let's book it. Oh, Hey, be sticky. I do it did. Let's turn on this roof fan and immediately. Why that one not? I know with the blades. If the blades are not made of like this, then it can be rotate. Because it's not rotating from its blades, guys. Oh. That's fast. Too much fast. Wow. Is that? Yeah! I really am though. Sell by that tree. Do you know why the spice do you know why is the do you think that a air balloon is catches with a funny? Oh, let's begin. No, no, oh, hey, move off away. To rotate this one, this hot bit, and oh, I see. Hey, I see how this will rotate after I fall that. I don't know. This is new fan, I think. Where's that? Very wobbly. That's only that. I don't know. I just saw the paw. Oh, not that one. This is this one. I have to stop that one. Select. Hydrated! Yay! Now it's stopped! Stop, you bossy fan! Go very what? That's too funny. That's also full. Oh no. That's really fast. So it do. Oh. If it. Oh. Bye bye. Falling down. That's. Oh. Did you see that? I barely alive you. Release beyond. That's been a little slowly. Oh, that stopped. Hello. I'll meet you this time. That space where those shaking fans. They're very fast and do other kind of works. This is also fast, but I don't know why it's not shaking because it's hot. Oh, I make it lose. And this is on. I didn't mean that, guys. Ha. You got all in your face. You got all mud in your face. Ribbits. That's little bit slowly, honestly. That's fast, I think. Because it's too fast. Let's go to this one. Oh, where's the light? Where's the motor? Look, that one. Oh, we forgot this one. Only here. Attention. I mean that. This is not going to stop, I know. And voila. See, I want you. Yeah. How the cola fan came here? Whoa, that's too fast, alright. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's keep me aside away. Quinn. Oh, I see. Oh, that's on now. Nope, not on. Oh, this is very exciting. Oh, a switch is here. Oh, is that fine for this collection fee? I think it's not going to be a mistake. Let me see, guys. Yeah, it's not that much quite safety. That's rotating. Let's wait for fast. That turn fast. Now let's begin quick. Please be on. No, it will not be on. Oh, that's be insane to me. Oh, that stopped. And this one? This is stopped. But this is rotating. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, this will rotate. That's be off. Ah! Huh. But slowly wither away. Oh. Ah. Ah. What's this? How many legs does that have? Yeah. Excuse guys, there are 4 plates in that. Ah. Oh, I forgot one roof fan. That's incredible. Oh, I don't want to be that. Came over there. That disturbs me too much. And let's get over here. That's throwing me away to this fan. But okay, I will turn on this fan. Oh, that's go slowly. Ah. Ah. Ow! This is good real fast. Oh, is that really so slowly? Oh, that's really fast now. This great. Oh, that's barely. It's barely and rotating. Ah. What? Other fans are hating other fans. Two are really funny. Whoa. And just to look at this one. Wow. Oh, wow. I never seen this much shaky fan before. God. Is this too shaky one? The power four blades are shaking. My God. Ah. That didn't make any sound. Oh. God, I threw that way. But this is also same. Ah. Allow me. In my dream, I see a Roblox is hanging movements. I think I will make a one land for movement Roblox. That will be incredible, guys. The Roblox can be swim. The Roblox makes so. You are going such a devil boy. Oh, don't see there. Mommy moose. Ah, 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 ah. Wait, how? How did it go on? That's... Oh no, let's wait for it. Oh. Is this much longer? This is this much longer. Oh, let's select this is too sick. And where's it down? It's there. It's moving. A door! Now it's again start rotating. Call hydropoch. Oh! Wow! Wow! Benefits. 18 more speed. Why is it's not selecting? Wow. Oh no. Not complete all the plans. This time you are kidding me. Who said you to fall down this? Let's again stand. Benefits. Oh. Who said? This going smoothly slow. Oh. Wow. Yeah. Oh. That's not. It's getting with feet, getting with seeds, getting added this later. How am I supposed to people turn off fans now? How? Maybe supposed to turn off the fans now. Forgot turning on fans. Let's pick them. Wow. Oi. Is that still on? But I cannot. Oh, this is this much height. My goodness. And let's start to bake it. Is this gonna be my blade? My god. Is that boom and dull as this thing? It's all a spread it out deal. Oh. They are poking each other. Huh? Only 3 blades left.